Hi preschool class, it's Miss Jen with another art video, and we are still in the month of April, and we are talking about weather and spring weather. So things that happen in the springtime like rain and sunshine and rainbows. So this is the last week we are talking about this. So the things that we're going to do is you should have a sheet of blue paper, and you should have a cloud, and I also give you a rainbow. So you are going to choose what weather you like. So if it's rain, or if it's clouds, or if it's wind. So, and then I want you to draw it on a piece of paper. So I have all different types that I did ahead of time. So just to show you. So there's all different types of weather in springtime. So, and especially in April. So I have a rainbow, I have a sun, I have some rain, and we just did a tornado for science. So this is my tornado. So if you want to do something like this, where you just use the paint, if you have any paint left over, and you want to make all different kinds of weather, just like this, 4 different ones, you could put it on the paper, just like that. So also, I gave you these pieces of paper that you could just use some glue, and you could glue on. I'm going to do one of those. And we also have, you have a rainbow. I made a sun, and I thought maybe we could glue this on and make a sun and add some things to it. So remember, this is your imagination. So it's going to be whatever you want to do. So I'll give you some ideas, and then you could do it yourself. So if you don't have a lot of paint left over, you should have your crayons. So you can use your crayons to color things too. So let's get started. So I have my paintbrushes, and I have leftover paint. So that's what I'm going to use. And I have my glue stick. So make sure if you're painting, you have your cup of water to rinse off your paintbrush and a paper towel. So I'm going to use my glue, and I'm going to use my cloud. So I like this cloud. It kind of smiles. So I'm going to glue on my cloud, and then I'm going to paint some rain. So if you decide to paint some rain, you could do all different rain, just like our rain painting. You could do long straight lines of rain, or you could do dots, or you could do like a little, any kind of little shape that you want to make rain. So rain, when it falls, it's all different shapes. So I'm going to glue that on my cloud. So there's my cloud. So glue that on, and now I'm going to paint some rain. So I'm going to choose my blue paint, and I'm going to paint some rain. So let's clean off my brush. And I got my blue paint, and I'm just going to take it, and I'm just going to dot it like this. And I'm just going to make all rain. Rain, rain, rain. All over my paper. So I'm going to make it look like it's raining. So I like the rain sometimes. I know we talked about puddles, and if we jump in puddles, I'm actually going to make some puddles. Let's see if I can make some puddles at the bottom. So I like puddles sometimes. Sometimes I like to get wet and be in the rain, but sometimes I don't. So I know everybody is different. So we had a lot of thumbs up and thumbs down if you like the rain or not. So I do sometimes, depending on what we're doing or where we're at. If it rains, sometimes it's fun, and sometimes it's not. So I know a lot of you have really cool rain boots. So it is so fun to jump in puddles if you have rain boots. So I'm going to make a puddle right there. So let's see. My paintbrush and my water. So here's my cloud. Here's my rain, and here's my puddles. So that's one idea. So you could do something like that. And let me put this one to the side. And then I also gave you a rainbow. So you can either make your own rainbow or you can use this one. I already painted a sun on there. So I'm going to glue in on my rainbow with my glue. And then let's see, I don't know what I'm going to put with my rainbow. So after a rainbow comes out, it means it was raining, and then a rainbow comes out. So I really like rainbows. I think rainbows are so nice. So I know we did a rainbow too. So I think we've done everything. I think we did rain. I think we did rainbows. We just made a sun. So we did all those things. So you decide what you want to do with this. So I think after a rainbow comes out, I think I'm going to use my crayon. And then maybe I'm going to put some grass on the bottom of my paper. So next month, we are going to be talking about plants. So April showers bring May flowers. So we're going to be talking about flowers next month. So I think I'm going to put some grass on my paper. Maybe I'll even put some flowers. So really, it's totally up to you what you decide to put on there. So anything you want to put on there, if it's flowers or if it's rain, or I know a lot of you like snow. So we don't have snow in springtime, but you do like snow. So if you like snow and that's what you want to draw, please do that. So you could do whichever one you want. I'm making some flowers. Let me make a couple and then I'll show you my flowers. So next month we're going to be making all kinds of plants and flowers and talking about that. And it's going to be so fun because you can't have any of that without rain. Rain helps everything grow. So there's my rain. It already rained. The rainbow came out. And I used my crayons. And I made this. So there it is. So it's my rainbow, my sun. I made grass and flowers. So this is all the ideas that I have. So you make whichever one you want. So remember, there's all different things in springtime. We have sun, we have rainbows, we have rain. We even have tornadoes sometimes. So I know we did a tornado in the bottle, and this is kind of what my tornado looked like. So I'll be so excited to see what you come up with, and if you decide to use your leftover paint or your crayons, and what you decide to make. So I hope you enjoy this art project, and I hope you just have fun and just put whatever you like. So I'll see you later on this week, preschool class. Bye.